Sending emergency 452.
Hi, 16th and Island. There's two homeless fighting and one's trying to stab another one with a knife or a stick or something.
16th and Island, and one has like a knife?
Yeah, we were stabbing him, but we were screaming at him, so he stopped.
April 15th, 2026. At exactly 5:06 p.m., San Diego Police Dispatch received an urgent call. The report: an assault with a deadly weapon in progress, unfolding near the intersection of 16th Street and Island Avenue. Officers were dispatched immediately to navigate the volatile scene. The following is the raw bodycam footage of their response. Viewer discretion is advised.
3 units on the 245. Subject is a Hispanic male, long hair, black sweater, white on the front, and jeans.
Hey, drop the fucking pick!
He has a small backpack.
Drop the pick! Get out of the way! When at gunpoint, not compliant. You with the fucking backpack, drop the pick! You guys, get away! Drop the pick in your hand right now! Sir, move! Drop the pick or I'll fucking shoot you! When at gunpoint, not compliant. Hey, drop the fucking pick! Shot fired. Drop the pen! Drop the pen right now! Facing westbound 1600 Island. Drop the pen! Get on the fucking ground right now! Get on the ground! Back up! Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground or I'm gonna shoot you! So not complying, they're walking up on me. Oh, yes. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! It's just it's a pen. It's a pen, it's a pen. You got We're on 1600 Island, South Curb line. Hey, everybody's back up. Get on the ground.
Stop, drop it.
Drop the pen. Drop the pen. You're under arrest. Drop it. Drop the pen. Don't get up yet. Stand by. Drop the pen now.
Drop it. Drop the pen.
He doesn't know drop code. Give me a pen. And she was paid. We have medication.
I got the left hand.
Following the encounter, officers immediately rendered medical aid until San Diego fire rescue personnel arrived on scene. The suspect was then transported to a local hospital, where he was treated for non-life-threatening injuries. Crime scene investigators later secured the item the suspect was holding. It was determined to be a pen. He has been criminally charged by the District Attorney's Office with the following offenses: Penal Code 245, assault with a deadly weapon; Penal Code 417.8, exhibiting a weapon to law enforcement; and Penal Code 69, resisting arrest. Fortunately, no officers were injured during this incident.